this is SCG Fools.
Yeah.
I'm gonna let them do the talking once again.
Basically, we are gonna be playing a game called White Mist.
White noise!
White noise! I keep thinking it's mist, okay? Anyway, I don't know why. It just sounds like a thing called White Mist. Anyway. It's apparently a rip-off of Slender, and we've played Slender, and that went fun. But I'm a big, as you know, from Dead Space. Oh shit, we haven't put that one up yet, but anyway, a Dead Space video will be coming. But anyway, it doesn't matter. Basically, I love horror games.
I don't.
I love them. I love a good scare.
I don't.
He don't. We've heard from other people that this is where bad. We're thinking about downloading it, but we're going to find out first. We're going to give it a trial, and we're on a timer, so click it. And he's going to be sitting there. I'm going to be sitting here. With... Ow. Sorry. With these are... Ow. We're going to turn up the TV so that people can hear it from a stupid noise or some shit.
Remote control.
Now. Aha. Whatever. Why is your arm up here? Ah, very funny! I knew you were doing something. Right, start me. Should I put them on? Do I have to put the headphones on? Do I really have to?
Yeah, put the headphones on.
Oh, okay, fine. Ah, it's payback. Right, find some shit.
Run.
Oh, I've already found something.
Graphics quite good.
That was quick. We kind of get the idea of the concept because...
Slender. It's like Slender.
It's like Slender. You find certain locations that look different from the environment, and so I'm guessing this is something.
Graveyard's never good time.
Oh my god! If you could see this game right now. Oh, there's something wrong with this game.
Wait, look to your right.
Yeah, I got a funny feeling it's that one. No.
Behind you. Look, that casket. Right there.
No.
It's around that area, it must be.
There's no static
Check
going
out by
off.
tombstones. There you go.
What?
Wait.
No. Bad job. No, right, moving on to the next. What the hell was that? Was that a bird? I don't know. Ignore my concentrating face. It looks horrible. I have to play this game because otherwise we wouldn't be doing this video right now because he will not play it. You'll find out when we release another video, if it comes out. Anyway. Where am I going? Oh my god. You're better at these games. Can you please help me? Look. I don't know these type of shit.
Forward. To your right.
There's a
just
path.
Follow the path.
Oh, is there a rock here? Should we have a look on the rock? It looks different from the environment, so it's like a wacky guess.
No, I'll keep on following the path though.
Oh my god, that water in the distance that made me go ice cold. I did. Oh my god. Oh my. I'm not normally like this on horror games. I am going forward. I'm walking backwards. And away we go. And away we go. I don't know where I'm going.
Go right.
I am going right.
Oh, there we go.
Ah. You know it's bad in these type of games when you find the first piece of paper. Once you pick that up, I'm gonna be on edge. And I can hear static. You hear it?
Forward. Right. Go forward.
What is that noise?
Go behind the statues.
The statue here.
Go behind all of them. What was that noise?
I don't know. Why is my light flickering?
Don't look back, don't look back! Don't look back, keep walking!
I don't know!
Do it, stop, walk!
Why can't I pick up a piece of paper?
Keep on walking.
Oh my good god! What the frickin'? Oh my god. I am... Whoa. I am not looking behind.
Oh, piece of paper right there.
Where? We found one! We found one! We found one! I'm not looking behind me. I'm not looking behind me. I gotta turn left! My doom, our light's dying. Our light is frickin' dying.
Don't take!
We are dead. We found one page.
I am funny. Very funny. Who enjoys that?
I mean, right, I'm just give you a glimpse of the menu of what we... That's basically what we're playing. This messed up crap. I know I won't be able to coax him into playing it.
God, you could piss off.
Even if I turn the camera.
No!
People... Alright, that was the video. I know it probably wasn't that fun in the beginning. But I guess you're gonna love our reaction.
Subscribe.
Subscribe.